I am at home. I am at home. I use my computer. I use my computer. I go online. I go online. I visit a website. I visit a website. I see things to buy. I see things to buy. I pick a shirt. I pick a shirt. I click on it. I click on it. I add it to my cart. I add it to my cart. I see a dress. I see a dress. I click on it. I click on it. I add it to my cart. I add it to my cart. I see shoes. I see shoes. I click on them. I click on them. I add them to my cart. I add them to my cart. I check my cart. I check my cart. I see my items. I see my items. I click buy. I click buy. I enter my address. I enter my address. I choose a payment method. I choose a payment method. I enter my card details. I enter my card details. I click submit. I click submit. I get an email. I get an email. I see my order confirmation. I see my order confirmation. I wait for my package. I wait for my package. I am excited. I am excited. Shopping online is easy. Shopping online is easy. I like it. I like it.